Quick question for every training manager out there. How long does it take you to build a training plan from scratch? A day? 2 days? A whole weekend lost to Excel? What if I told you it could take seconds, not hours? Here's the real headache. Leadership walks in and says, cut the training from 12 days to 10. Simple, right? Wrong. Now you're rebalancing every topic, protecting your highest volume contact drivers, and trying to explain what you just sacrificed, manually, every single time. So I built the Dynamic Roadmap Creator. I'm not going to tell you it works, I'm going to show you. Step 1, drop in your real contact volume data. Step 2, pick your training duration. Let's say the standard is 12 days, but the business wants it done in 10. The moment you make that change, the tool shows you exactly which topics get crunched, live, day by day. And it doesn't stop there. It builds you a client-ready presentation, explaining the revised plan and the impact, ready to walk into that meeting. Step 3, hit generate. And just like that, a complete hour-by-hour training roadmap, built around your actual contact volumes. Not a template, not a guess, your data. And here's the part leadership loves. It doesn't just shorten the plan, it tells you exactly what gets cut and what it costs. 16 hours of practice removed, hardest hit on your top 3 drivers. That's not a feeling anymore. That's a talking point you walk into the boardroom with. And every description, written like a real trainer wrote it. Because the person who built this is a real trainer. 17 years on the floor, no code, no coding team. Just a problem I lived and decided to solve. If your team still builds training plans by hand, you're leaving hours on the table every single week. Let's fix that. Drop a comment or send me a direct message and I'll show you exactly how it works for your process. The Dynamic Roadmap Creator. Stop building plans, start generating them.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।